The Tesla Cybertruck is an all-electric pickup truck known for its futuristic design and high durability. Unveiled in 2019, it features an angular, stainless steel exoskeleton and armored glass. The Cybertruck comes in 3 variants with different ranges and performance capabilities. The single-motor RWD offers around 250 miles of range, 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 6.5 seconds, and a towing capacity of 7,500 pounds. A dual-motor AWD provides approximately 300 miles of range, 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.5 seconds, and a towing capacity of 10,000 pounds. The tri-motor AWD delivers up to 500 miles of range, 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.9 seconds, and a towing capacity of 14,000 pounds. This Cybertruck's innovative features include adaptive air suspension, a spacious interior, and Tesla's advanced autopilot system. It aims to combine the utility of a truck with the performance and efficiency of an electric vehicle, pushing the boundaries of automotive design and engineering.